Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Skillmark Academy. I'm so glad you're here because today we're diving into one of the most exciting topics in marketing, the customer's journey, from stranger to advocate. Imagine this journey as a funnel. At the top, you've got a huge group of people who barely know you exist. As they move down, the group gets smaller, but their engagement and intent grow stronger until a few dedicated ones emerge at the bottom, your paying customers and, ideally, your biggest fans. This isn't just theory. It's called the marketing funnel, a powerful way to understand every stage of your customer's journey and craft the right message at the right moment. But here's the secret sauce. One of the oldest and most effective models for this journey is the AIDA model. AIDA. Attention, interest, desire, and action. It's basically a psychological roadmap your customers follow when they encounter your brand. And nothing explains this better than Coca-Cola's legendary Share a Coke campaign. Stage 1. Attention. The first step is simple. Get noticed. Now, how do you do that when the world is drowning in ads? Coca-Cola took a bold step. They replaced their own iconic logo, one of the most recognizable logos on Earth, with people's names. Suddenly, you walk into a store and instead of just Coke, you see bottles saying Rahul or Priya. Novel, surprising, impossible to ignore. Boom, attention captured. Stage 2. Interest. But attention isn't enough. Once you've caught someone's eye, you have to hold it. Coke nailed this with personalization. Suddenly, it wasn't just another soda, it was your soda. People went on treasure hunts, digging through shelves for their own name or their friends' names. It turned from just an ad into an engaging experience. Now comes the magic moment, desire. People didn't just want their name, they wanted the feeling of sharing a Coke with someone they loved. Social media exploded with pictures of personalized bottles, creating FOMO everywhere. And just like that, desire skyrocketed. Finally, action. The brilliance? The call to action was right there in the campaign name, Share a Coke. Coke made it ridiculously easy to buy. Bottles were in every store, from supermarkets to tiny kiosks. And here's the kicker. People didn't just buy, they shared their bottles online. That user-generated content became free advertising, fueling the AIDA cycle for millions more. See? Marketing isn't a single event, it's a sequence. Many brands fail because they scream, "Buy now," before earning attention or building desire. But Coca-Cola? They guided us patiently, step by step. And it's not just Coke, Nike does it too. Attention, superstar athletes like LeBron or Ronaldo. Interest, emotional stories of triumph. Desire, making you crave not just shoes but ambition itself. Action, that iconic punchline, just do it. Now let's shift gears. We've talked about audiences and funnels, but here's the truth. The best marketers don't think in numbers, they think in people. That's where customer personas come in. A persona is a semi-fictional profile of your ideal customer, built on real data. It helps you ask not, "What should we say?" but rather, "What would Sarah find interesting and valuable?" Step 1. Listen first. Start with research. You don't need big budgets. Talk to your sales and service teams. They know what customers ask and why they choose you. Interview real customers, even unhappy ones. Ask them, "Take me back to the day you first realized you needed a solution like ours." Use surveys and analytics, Google Forms, website insights, social media data. Step 2. Build the persona. All right, let's create one together. Imagine our business is a sustainable, eco-friendly coffee subscription in India. We'll call her Eco-Conscious Priya. She's 28, lives in Bangalore, works in tech, and earns well. She loves sustainability, values her morning coffee ritual, and hates greenwashing. She wants brands that are authentic, transparent, and deliver quality. Her motivation? Making choices that reflect her values without slowing down her busy life. And there you go. Priya becomes our North Star. Every ad, every email, every packaging decision runs through the question, would Priya love this? So here's the takeaway. Marketing is not about pushing products. It's about guiding people step by step, building trust, and connecting with them on a personal, emotional level. And when you get it right, strangers don't just become customers, they become your biggest advocates. Thanks for watching this chapter of Skillmark Academy. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next chapter in your marketing journey. See you in the next chapter, only here at Skillmark Academy.